Hello, my name is Alok Kumar, and in this video we are talking about the patronage care of postpartum woman. So postpartum woman is that woman who has to give the birth of the baby. So after the birth of the baby to the 6 to 8 weeks, this is the called postpartum video, and the woman is called postpartum woman. So after in this video, first of all we have to greeting, say hi, hello to the patient, and after that give the self presentation, just like talk about himself, just like my name is Dr. Alok Kumar, and my eligibility is this, and I am today I am going to take care about your postpartum period. So after that we have to gather the passport data of the patient. In the passport data of the patient we have to his name and his date of birth, and from which region he lives, and after that we have to make sure his which time of his postpartum period, just like how much time it is, just like just after the birth of the baby, or maybe his second or third time of the visit to the clinic. So after that we have to do the examination. In the examination we have to do first of all blood pressure of the patient. For the blood pressure we have to use the manometer, and after that pulse pressure, temperature, and examination of the mammary gland of the patient. So in the examination of the mammary gland we have to make sure that there is no lupus, and there is no tiredness of the mammary gland, and there is no crackling in the mammary glands. After that we have to make sure that there is no infiltration in the sutures if the patient got suture during the after the delivery, and there is infiltration or there is such like problem, and make sure that which type of discharge has patient going have, and we have to palpate the uterus, and the size of the uterus, and the uterus is size of the uterus, and there are other things just like the opening, how much the service has been closed, and palpate the other organs which is disturbed during the pregnancy, and find their location and make sure about them. After that we have to consult the woman about the how to take care of the baby, and how to she have to breastfeeding to the patient, and after that we have to tell the patient for the preparation for the baby, just like his bed and his clothes and other things, so proper sanitization and other things. And after that we have to talk about the patient about his nutrition, and after that we have to tell to the patient about the contraceptive methods, just like lactation and amenorrhea, and we have to tell about him that how much important is breastfeeding. And after that we have to talk to the patient about the danger symptoms, just like if she feels any danger symptoms, just like abnormal, just like blood discharge through the uterus and through the vagina, and there is some tumor like some things or lupus in the breast or in the cracking of the blood, so she have to just like inform the doctor. And after that we have to summation of all the things, and tell about everything just shortly about his the caring of the baby, breastfeeding, and about his health, his blood pressure, and his and telling about the breast problems and other discharge something, and so after that in the summation we have to all tell about all this thing in shortly. After that we have to take feedback. In the feedback just like ask simply questions that she would understand you or not. So just like you ask any question about the data you have taken, and after that say him goodbye and greeting.